May isa pa akong favorite. So, na yan. Ay, hindi pantay kilay ko. I suck at eyeliner. Hey guys, what's up? It's Renee and welcome back to my channel. So, for today's video, we'll be reviewing focallure items. So, I'll do a full face using focallure items. We'll be reviewing them and also test them out. Hindi naman ito yung first time ko na-encounter yung focallure. As you all know, mura lang talaga siya. And nung una parang sabi ko, ba't mura? Siguro fake siya. Pero, hindi siya fake. Okay. Itong focallure is a cosmetic brand from China. I bought all of my focallure items from Shopee and Lazmall siya. So, yep, I think it's really authentic kasi hindi naman siguro magtatag ng Lazmall lang Shopee kung hindi siya authentic, diba? I have a full face of products here from Focallure except primer and false lashes. The rest meron. So, yep, let's start. Okay, so like I said, wala silang available na primer or siguro hindi ko lang siya nabili. So, I'll just use this Eyeliner Blur Plus Plus Oil Control Makeup Primer just to prime the face. Yun lang naman. Tapos, wala rin pala akong nabili na setting spray. I think wala silang available. Kaya, ayun, wala rin ako setting spray. Let's start with the brows kasi, you know, sobrang tagal ko magkilay lalo na ngayon. Out of control na talaga siya. Wala na siya sa shape. So, ayun. So, just bear with me. Kaya natin to. For the brows, I got the Auto Brows Pen in the shade brown. So, I got this in set. Ito yung mga nakuha ko. Yung brows, yung eyeliner, and yung eyeshadow palette. Kaya, ayun. Hindi ako nakapili ng shade ng brows eh. Ang pwede ko lang piliin na shade is yung sa eyeshadow palette. Let's proceed with the brows. So, this is what it looks like. Very simple lang siya. Nakalagay lang dito yung focallure. Meron siyang spoolie and ito yung brows niya. Now, as you may tell, dun sa last video ko, yung haul video, hindi ko talaga siya swinotch. So, I don't know if match siya sa brows ko, pero sana match siya. Comb the lashes. Oh my God, sobrang kalat-kalat na ng kilay ko. So, I think hindi ko na naman mapapantay itong kilay ko. Pero that's okay. Okay, so sobrang dali niyang i-apply ha. Nung in-swatch ko kasi siya, parang medyo mahirap siyang i-apply, ay ilagay, i-swatch. Pero now that I'm putting it into my brows, madali lang siya i-apply. Hindi pantay kilay ko. Pero ayun, like I said, wala tayong magagawa dyan. Yan na yun. For the application, it's really nice. Ang dali niyang gamitin and very precise yung pencil niya. For the brow, so far so good. Okay siya for me. Next item will be our foundation. Now, this is not a focallure foundation kasi I didn't know. Hindi ko napansin. Napansin ko na lang nang naka-check out na ako. Pero this is the Stagenius Matte Full Coverage Foundation. Now, these are just samples. It's really a good thing na merong samples itong brand na to. Kasi, you know, I really struggle a lot when it comes to the shade of foundations. So, I got honey and tan. If honey is too light for me, then I'll mix them both. Meron siyang pump. And let's see. I'll apply foundation using a brush on this side and a sponge in this side. This is honey. Okay, so masyado siyang maputi sa akin. Meron siyang amoy. Parang, hindi ko ma-describe yung amoy niya eh, pero meron siyang amoy. Okay, so I'll just mix a bit of tan kay honey kasi masyadong light si honey. Meron talaga siyang amoy na hindi ko ma-describe kung ano yung amoy. The half of my face is done using the brush and I might say na na-cover niya yung veins ko na meron. Pero hindi naman kasi ganun ka talagang putok yung veins na meron ako. So it's fine. Medyo, ewan ko, I just feel like di ko funny ang application niya sa brush just because hindi smooth yung application niya. So, try natin sa sponge kung ganun din. Kung ganun, baka yung foundation yung may problema. I usually do just a light cover of foundation kasi ayoko ng masyadong makapal. 2 layers for me is already thick. Ayoko ng ganun. So, I just usually do a 1 layer foundation. Mas prefer ng iba na 2 layers of foundation para mas full coverage siya. Pero, that's just me. Yung preference ko lang is 1 layer. Mas gusto ko yung way ng pag-apply ng sponge. Kasi, mas smooth yung pag-a-apply niya compared sa brush. Ewan ko, parang mas gusto ko lang yung sponge mag-apply talaga. And it's weird kasi parang mas full coverage pa yung sa sponge. Ewan ko. I might be imagining things. So, I like the side of the sponge more than the brush. Ewan ko kung bakit. Mas gusto ko lang yung coverage na nabigay niya dito compared sa brush. Kaya blend out ko na lang ng sponge yung the brush side. Coverage-wise, 1 layer is medium coverage. So, kapag nag-second layer ka, definitely makukuha mo yung full coverage if you want full coverage. Meron siyang amoy, pero mabango talaga yung amoy niya. Hindi ko ma-describe kung ano yung amoy niya, pero para siyang pabango. Okay, moving on to the concealer now. Ang nakuha ko yung pot. So, this is the full coverage concealer and I got the shade number 4, Medium Honey. Ito siya. It's a typical concealer na nasa pot. Parang yung MAC Painterly Paint Pot. Ganon siya. So, let's just apply it in the other eye. So, I noticed na brighten naman yan yung under eye ko kahit papaano. Coverage-wise, it's light to medium. Drinag ko na rin yung concealer sa eyelid area to act as a primer. To set the under eye, I have here the oil-free setting powder. I got the shade 03. This is what it looks like. It's like a typical powder na nasa ganito. Meron siyang protective paper para hindi matapon. And meron din siya nito, yung sponge. Using my sponge, yan, ilalagay lang natin siya dito. I'm using my sponge to like parang bake na rin. Kasi we'll be doing our eyeshadow next. So, diba? Para if may fall out, makatch nung powder. Alright, so for the eyeshadow, we'll be using, this is the 18 shade eyeshadow palette Twilight collection. And you know, very warm na naman siya kasi you know me. I really love warm eyeshadows. So, ayun. This is what it looks like. Now, on the inside, you have a lot of warm colors talaga. Woohoo! So, let's just try swatching some of the colors. I'm really curious about this yellow shade. This is the Palace. We'll try Ruby. Let's try Tiramisu. And then, Chili. This one. Okay, so the color is actually nice. Oh, even the matte, it's actually nice. So, yep. I'll just do a very, very simple look. And then, I'll give you my thoughts on this product. Alright, so my eyes are kinda done. As you notice, I didn't use my finger in applying one shimmer shade kasi I'll be using this one. Pero bago yun, I do love how it applies in my eyes. Sobrang, hindi man siya sobrang pigmented na parang nakakabigla. Sobrang buildable ng colors niya and I really love the shades I used. As you can see, warm tone na naman yung mata ko, pero okay lang yan. Mahilig ako sa warm tone, alam nyo yan. So anyway, this is what I'm really excited about, this one. This is the Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. I got the shade Royale. I'm really excited about this. Kaya hindi ko talaga in-intense yung shimmer part kasi I want to use this. So ayun, let's apply this one. So, for this product, I actually noticed na kapag nag-second layer ka, medyo patchy na siya. Ayan, nag-set naman na siya. So, medyo, hindi man sobrang tagal ng setup niya. Nang pagsiset niya, hindi rin sobrang bilis. So, sakto lang. And, oh my God, I really love it. Pero, kailangan ko siyang patungan kasi ito, yun nga, nag-patchy siya. So, papatungan ko lang ulit siya nung ginamit kong eyeshadow kanina, which is Sunrise. Ito, gagamitin ko na yung fingers ko this time, just to intensify the lid shade. I-blend ko lang ulit yung eyes ko using Tangerine. So, overall, I like the palette and I really can't wait to play with more colors in this one kasi as you know, very warm na naman ang aking mata. Now, moving on with the eyeliner. Now, I cannot promise na magagawa ko yung eyeliner ko on camera kasi I suck at eyeliner. So, I'll just try. Eyeliner, merong nasi-shake sa kanya. This is color black, by the way. So, ayun. I'll just attempt to do my liner on camera. If not, I'm sorry. Alright, so for the eyeliner, hanggang dyan na lang yan. Okay, don't judge it. I'm still improving a lot of my eyeliner skills kasi hindi siya pantay. Pero okay lang yan. Practice makes perfect, diba? For the eyeliner, it reminds me so much of the Beauty Glaze kasi favorite ko when it comes to eyeliner. Talagang madali lang siya i-apply. Hindi naman ako nag-struggle sa kanya kahit nakailang ganun talaga ako. So, no problem. I like the eyeliner talaga. Alright, moving on. Tatanggalin na natin yung bake natin. By the way, sa concealer, yung sa lids ko, napansin ko na parang nag-oil up na yung sa concealer na napinot down natin. By the way, hindi pa pala ako nakakapag-set ng face. Oh my God. Okay, for the face, we'll use the pressed powder. I got the shade 02. Now, I hope shade ko talaga siya. So, meron tong sponge na sa ilalim ng compartment and this is the powder. So, let's just set our face very, very quickly. Medyo napansin ko na meron siyang additional coverage. Yun nga lang, hindi ko siya katamang color. Pero it's manageable. Hindi naman siya sobrang puti talaga. We'll now proceed with our contour and blush and highlight. For that, I got this blush highlight contour. Now, trio to. So, ito yung contour. Ito yung blush. This is the highlight. Okay, for the contour, it's not that bad. Hindi sobrang ashy ng color niya. Alright, so I don't have bronzer available, so I'll just use this to just warm the face a bit. Sobrang a bit lang kasi medyo cool tone side to. I like this for contour pero not for bronzing. So, let's proceed to the blush. Now, this is an interesting one kasi as you can see, very corally yung shade niya kaya lang ang liit ng pan. I like the color. I love the color. I'll use this highlight at this side of my face and I'll use the Stagenius in the other side of my face. So, let's just grab my highlighter brush. Okay, so wala ako I don't like the highlight of this one. Very powdery, very chalky. I don't like. Nope. Alright, so we'll just do this. This is Stagenius highlighter, and this is in the shade 02. This is what it looks like. It's very cute. Meron siyang parang, you know, texture. I'll use this at this side of my face. Alright, so this is much better than this one kasi ito parang very natural. If you're into natural, go for this. Pero yun nga lang, powdery siya, and this one is not at all. So, I haven't put on my mascara. Ngayon ko lang siya na-realize. So, for mascara, I'll use the Balm Lashes Volumizing Mascara. Tingnan natin kung bomb talaga siya. This is what the wand looks like. Typical wand, as you may say. The mascara is okay. It's not that great. It's not that bad. Definitely not my favorite kasi wala akong makita masyadong difference. Pero it was okay na nilagyan naman na ng konting length yung eyes ko. Now, let's continue with my lower lash line. Sobrang out of the place ng review na to. Pero let's just get into it. Alright, now for our final product, we have this matte lip crayon. I'm not sure kung ano yung gagamitin ko, pero I have the shade Fuzzy Wuzzy and Smoky Topaz. This is what it looks like. And then, let's check Fuzzy Wuzzy. So, this is what it looks like. Ayan. For Smoky Topaz, so medyo nasa burgundy ito. So, I think I'll just use a mixture of both. Alright, we are done. For the lipstick, I really don't like the scent. Medyo chemically yung scent niya. That's all. Hindi siya matte, by the way. Meron siyang transfer. I just know it kasi malalaman mo naman yan yung formula sa lips mo. It's not matte. Pero yung combination nitong dalawa, yung color niya is very nice. Yung amoy niya is parang yung lipstick ni mama nung bata ako. Yung ganong amoy. And I really don't like that scent. So, ayan. Tapos na tayo. Overall, verdict for Focallure is, it's okay. Try nyo siya. It's very affordable. And my favorite will be this one. And yung eyeliner nila, I love them both just because ang dali nitong i-apply and super ganda ng colors and ang ganda din ng color payoff niya. And ito, very easy to use. And may isa pang favorite. So, na yun. Yung isa ko pang favorite is this one. This is glitter shadow niya. And I like it kasi it's intense. Ayun, that's why I love it. Now, what I don't like is this concealer kasi nag-settle agad siya sa lines ng lids ko, which is not cute, diba? Then, yung mascara din, I don't really like it that much, but it's not the worst formula. I just feel like it's very common. Very common. Like, feel ko, ganito yung itsura ng mga mascara na nabibili sa palengke. But that's just my opinion. As well as this lipstick. I mean, I really like how it turned out kasi ang dali lang niya i-apply. But I don't like the scent, so no for me. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Leave me a comment down below if you already tried Focallure Makeup. What do you like about it? What is your favorite product? Kamusta yung product sa'yo? Is it okay? Ano yung pinakaayaw mo sa kanila? Let me know. Give this video a like kung nagustuhan mo tong video na to. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell for notifications if I upload again. And yeah, that's it guys. I will see you again on my next video. Bye!